welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to make slime. Last time we made oobleck. If you want to see that video, check up in the I button. Slime now. For this experiment we will need shampoo, a ball, cornstarch, food color, food essence is optional, a spatula. First we will add 6 scoops of cornstarch. Next we are going to add 3 scoops of shampoo. Now I am going to add 3 to 4 drops of food color. Now I am going to add 1 to 2 drops of food essence. Now I am going to mix it all together. It doesn't look like slime in any way. So I think this experiment has failed. We will try to make slime again in some other video with another technique. This experiment was a disaster and a great disappointment. So don't try this experiment at home. This is the end of our video. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. And don't forget to visit the Hey Guys Vlogs channel. Bye! See you in our next video.